Now I'm here at Foodie Avenue 12.
Wow!
Macam mana pula nak set up? Sekejap. Okay guys, so aku sekarang dekat Foodie Avenue 12, di mana dekat tempat ni lah yang diorang kata ada banyak makanan best-best. Antaranya we have nasi kandar, nasi kukus, and macam-macam lagi lah. Shawarma pun ada, waffle pun ada. So aku rasa kawan aku yang dapat KK12 ni patut bersyukur lah. Memang best gila. Kalau aku dapat KK ni, memang aku takkan keluar ke mana-mana lah. Jimat duit Grab, jimat duit nak naik sapu. But it's okay. Mungkin ada hikmah kenapa aku tak duduk sini. Dia bagi aku explore more interesting places dekat UM ni. So ya, sekarang ni aku tengah nak tunggu apa yang aku nak order. Aku masih berfikir lagi ni apa aku nak order. So korang rasa aku order apa? Nantikan video ni sampai habis, okay?
You have received 9 ringgit from Touch and Go e-wallet.
I ate shawarma. Oh my god. The taste was so delicious. There's some veggie, french fries, and the base was basically a bread, I think. I ordered a small one, only 5 ringgit. It's quite worth with the price.
Wow!
Sedapnya, first time aku makan benda ni. Now I understand why Foodie Avenue 12 was the popular food court in UM. Murah, sedap. First time makan shawarma, I fell in love. So good. I think the most killer one is the veggie. No, the daging. The meat was add with the crunchiness of this. Very nice.
Wow.
Aku rasa aku dah boleh tukar dah kot breakfast aku. Daripada nasi lemak, bihun goreng, aku makan ni. Ni je saja dah kenyang dah weh. Sumpah aku tak suka. I'm not gonna lie you guys. Aku order small tau, RM5. Tapi dia punya small tak macam small, macam big pun ada. So quite nice lah dengan harga RM5. Dia tak macam small langsung, dah macam big punya size.
Wow.
I actually want to go to Ayam Penyet, but the Ayam Penyet I don't know when they want to open. So I decided to eat shawarma first. Mungkin Ayam Penyet buka dalam tengah hari macam tu. So tengoklah nanti Ayam Penyet dia sedap ke tidak. Ayam Penyet tak buka lagi. Tapi aku rasa makan ni je pun dah kenyang lagi. What the hell are you kidding me? Very nice. I just finished my shawarma and all I can say that shawarma can be a replacement for nasi. Sebab apa? Sebab shawarma ni dia complete. Dia ada protein dia, which is came from the chicken, from the ayam. Lepas tu dia ada dia punya carbs dia, ada veggie dia. So I think it's complete. So aku rasa macam kalau korang nak something different for your breakfast, I can recommend to you guys shawarma, because it can be a replacement for rice. Okay, boleh menggantikan nasi yang everyday kita makan masa breakfast. So aku pun start by now, aku nak start makan healthy food. Acak-acak aku boleh cakap dia boleh jadi pengganti breakfast kita yang kita selalu makan nasi lemak. Sebab nasi lemak kan macam berminyak, lepas tu terlalu banyak kolesterol. So I think when you choose shawarma as your breakfast, mungkin kita boleh jadi lebih healthy, lebih fit. Tambah pula ada banyak veggie dekat dalam shawarma tu. So we can keep our morning more energetic. Gitu. So my personal rating for shawarma, first time aku makan aku dah terus jatuh cinta. I give the rating for the shawarma rating of 9/10. Good job. First time makan, I dah fall in love with it. Very very nice. Okay guys, so here I'm at the same place right untuk makan malam. So for dinner I ordered this. Nasi, I ordered nasi kukus for dinner. There's a curry, the chicken, the belacan, and also got some cabbage. So kalau pagi tadi aku datang sini sebab aku makan shawarma, tonight aku makan nasi kukus. Apa buat masa, let's try. Sorry kalau tak dengar suara sebab terlalu bising. There's huge crowd here. The curry was so good. Kelatan menyengat. Macam ni RM7 je korang. Only RM7.
Years later.
The urban experience, vivid social fashion of space and time, 6-week landscape, nature and culture.
Love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
Wow!
Ramatu. Apa benda ni? Apa yang semua jadi ni?
Dah bersihkan sungai.
Ni macam kan? Sampai campur je.
apa SDG lah.
Tak kena sangat.
Will be taken at the end of the forum. Without further ado,
day in, day out, and hopefully through that technology improves the quality of your life, I think that's something of a breakthrough.
At least I hope to see